Come test drive the 2016 Mercedes E-Class. Some predict the future, we prefer to build it. The Mercedes E-Class is an impressive ride, very smooth and punchy. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, cruise control, floor mats, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, climate control, universal garage door opener. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.